There is a new launch pool on Binance. You will stake a token and receive free token. And in this video, I'm going to explain this event and show you how to stake your token to receive free token. Definitely, that's what Binance normally do on their launch pool. And on Binance, make sure you come to this more, press this more, and navigate to this launch pad. Press this launch pad, and at this launch pad you will see this launch pool right here, farming NFP. This token is in farming, has already started. Time until farming ends is 6 days 2 hours 49 minutes, and total reward that they will share on this farming is 110 million of this NFP token. And if you want to stay TUSD pool, you will stake using this first pool. And if you want to use FDUSD pool, you stake using this. And the same thing goes to this BNB pool. So right now I'm going to stake with TUSD pool, and you can also do the same thing to this each token you have to farm this token. Use this stake button. It's going to load this, and you would press this token you want to stake, press stake, and right here I have 10 TUSD. If you want to use max, you will press this max, or if you just want to stake only $5 or any amount you have in your account, be it $100 or $5,000, that's equivalent of TUSD. You just need to press this stake, and you see successful stake TUSD. And if I scroll down right here, you see my stake is $5, and right here, once this reward, I've received a little bit of reward, I'll be able to claim. Right here, this claim button is going to be claim for me to be able to claim this token. And right here, if you want to redeem your token, okay, for example, you say okay, you don't want to farm again, you want to redeem your token, you can just use this redeem button right here. For instance, you want to redeem, you don't want to redeem, or you can just redeem 1 or 2, or use this max to redeem all your funds, and just press redeem, and you see redemption successful. So right now you have your asset in your wallet again to stake, or if you want to stake again, so you can stake your funds at any time. Your TUSD will be deducted from your spot account and lock in your launch pool account within your savings wallet. So that's what you need to know, and you can apply this method to this BNB pool and this FDUSD pool. And if you don't have this, USD stable coin, and you want to use this, just press this purchase, and you'll be able to use P2P or transfer or buy on the marketplace. So that's what you need to be doing. And if you want to check this project information, you can check this right here and come right here to check all this information. And that's just the summary of this project. If you get value in this video and you don't want to mix opportunity in making money in crypto, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to be seeing you on the next video.